go, it's focused. What are you making?
Tent peg for the hammocks.
Alright. The quality on this is so good.
Should be, it's very expensive.
Look at that. It's as if they're really there. Oh, looking all gibberish. So what should that turn out to be like in the end?
Well, it's just a crude one, really. Just get a notch out so the string will attach to it. That should be anything too flash.
All just homemade. Save some money.
What we do, get a string.
Oh, like a peg sort of.
Yeah, tent peg.
Oh, that's why it's called a tent peg, I guess. Get to focus. There we go.
Just knock it in with the axe.
Oh, he's getting the big axe out.
That's all well and good, mate.
Go on.
Until we all put ours up.
Well, I think we've got to put them up just to see how they work,
Yeah.
and then configure from once we're done.
Yeah.
If they got to be moved, then we'll just move them out. But
Which is nice without that on the remote road, mate.
Boom.
yeah, it is.
All up. Mission accomplished.
There you go, mate. It's all right.
Nice. Very nice.